Yo gogo ibandlo tech fula la inyiko athuzeli ukuzocula la fokol stress ithi lakta phana cash loku popul fresh niggas ngakayina next mara so cool nisika blind and unkhohlul that's why in randa speaker grind.
Welcome back everybody to Iscamto podcast. I am your host Bonitlem. Ew, the fuck? No.
Why we talking about?
I call my real name, my full ID.
Yeah.
No.
Babuta, your full ID.
No. Welcome back to Iscamto podcast. I am your host, Poppy, in the building. I'm back like I've never left, honey. And with me, I'm always not alone. Nyahamba no, the one and only Salty right next to me, busy drinking tea. You know, hot donya today. It's cold, darling. So we don't go koba shimaning kheta. We drink tea, rebasadi heater, and we chill. Kamo ntlo. And one more thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You know, and don't forget to hit the what? The notification bell.
Bell. Why most of the time I say button when I or a bell? Anyways,
It's a bell. It's a bell. Yeah, it's a bell.
Ding 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 ding. It's a bell. Okay, sharp. Oh yeah. No, guess who? We believe it's a one today.
No,
It's amazing.
PT, I'm Poppy.
It's amazing. Sanbonani Dumelang Abusheni. Hello, this is me, your man Salty. Welcome to Scamto Podcast. Bona. Episode 13. Keep on following us, guys. Skalvala, subscriber, hit that bell, and share. Renida Lona, more that podcast so that little hono share So sit back, relax, small moting, run to your house. Fitlo dule fasi. Grab a tea like us. Udule ubuele rena, hence ribua kaditaba sabatu. So today we shoot a lady, guys.
Yeah, hey, it was very cold during the day.
Very, very, very cold, and it's winter. It's about 6 o'clock, and we are late. Most of the time, we shoot at 3, 4.
Yeah.
But anyways, Reduti, Studio Sarona Sesimo. This is one of our studios. We're drinking a cup of tea.
A cup of Joe.
A cup of whatever.
Cup of Joe.
Yeah, a cup of Jogo. You remember that?
Joe.
Joe.
Just Joe. Yeah.
It's Joe. Oh, a cup of Joe. Baruta.
Yeah.
A cup of. Do you remember the advertisement there thing?
Yeah, Joke. Which one? There's a lot of them.
There's a lot. Lila coffee and cream.
Oh.
There's the other one. It was.
There's this one. Whereby Abu Mama be stock fell about Shelly Pantin and about Positia and they're busy slapping their tea like.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
or Tandy, there's no cremora in the fridge. It's not inside, it's on
top of the fridge.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, those are old school, man.
You know, yeah.
Poppy.
Yes, darling.
Wait, I did you hear Hore Mekjiba mo concert?
Why? Mekji was big. In the
no, I don't know.
Like
I don't know
days ago.
No, I don't know what's happening because he announced it. There was a week back or 2 weeks back. But as also mofe contract there high up yako I didn't say
DSTV because he was supposed to be with DSTV now. Multi-choice.
He was with.
Really?
Yeah, 2 seasons if like 2 months. And then podcast in Chile but our renewal contract but
maybe it didn't bring in a lot of viewers.
It did. It's just I think a lot of people complained. Maybe a lot of people are complaining Kamekji after that shoot Mini Lamin and stuff.
Yeah.
So I think DSTV didn't want to
associate themselves with that
anymore. Maraka podcast in Chile, not
Maybe we'll be next. Hey,
next. Lila Lasizwe.
They cancelled him.
Wow. Maybe it didn't make views. For Lasizwe, I think maybe Ayeta views by. No,
I don't watch DSTV anymore. Hey,
I'm thinking what ne? Lasizwe maybe too expensive. Le make G too expensive.
You see,
le make G too expensive. So and DSTV, DSTV, I sana the
viewers, yes. Because I think DSTV is a game, Showmax, Netflix, and smart TVs. Because now these days smart TVs, they don't require like my TV. It doesn't require a DSTV. I can just download what is this? Different apps where I can watch and pay 160 every month. I'm good. I don't want. And with that 160, the app that I use, Waka TV, I get ETV, I get all the sports channel, all the documentary, I get everything. 160 every month. Check it out, Waka TV. It's very affordable.
Oh, Waka TV.
Waka TV.
I have it. Waka TV. Yeah, you get everything.
Everything. Even all the shows on Showmax, they are there. All the movies on Showmax, they are there. The series, the news, the entertainment, the music. Waka TV is the dream you keep on dreaming. That dream of you having to pay an affordable thing to watch Straw. Did you see Straw? The recent movie, Tyler Perry's movie. Oh my God. Heartbreaking. It's heartbreaking.
It's all about that. Let me be honest.
The fact is, Taraji P. Henson nailed that role. I love the way she acts. That woman is an inspiration. She inspired me. She inspires me even today to go ahead, go audition, and this, because I'm very good in acting. Hey, I can cry on command, darling.
Oh yeah,
I can cry on command.
But no, you're an actor.
I can cry on command. I can cry now and laugh now.
Yeah, I know. I know. Like this is what you did 3 days back.
No, yesterday.
Yesterday. This is what you did. You know what she did? I think she had a fight with her mom in the morning. And now she was supposed to write
an exam. And she switched off the Wi-Fi, and I was so sad.
And then the mother switched off the Wi-Fi. So it's cold. It's in the morning. Now, actually, so not so to understand. The laptop. I just finished bathing my boy, and the transport took him. And now I'm in the house. Kitola call. What? I need your help. Like, are you at home? Like, yeah, I'm at home. Then you come running. Then, dude, I hear a knock. Come in. Plus, no, that time
yeah.
Because my boy just left in the morning, and then so I thought it's a helper, that lady who helps us. But when she came first. I was like, come in. It's like, no. I'm like, no, it's not the right date. Tomorrow. I woke up in the morning. It's Monday, and then she literally comes on Tuesdays. But she came on Monday, and it was cold.
It was cold, and it was
so I was like, nah, Joella Morao. So ke wela dikubo mola ke sa re ke tata le nna ke nap 2 hours so that I can wake up and start to work. What the fuck? What the fuck?
I don't do that face. What's wrong with you? Yeah, guys.
What the fuck? What's going on, Poppy? My mom. What has she done now? She's done what? My mom just switched off the Wi-Fi, and she knows that I have to write exams 8 o'clock, and if I'm left with 50. I'm like, and like, believe me, come up along get banna. At 5 o'clock it's really. No, 6. No Gerganepa, Omon comes 30 minutes later. No Gerganepa, Omon comes another 30 minutes late. And she cries. I'm like, I'm like, oh, okay. Plug a Wi-Fi here and then sit in a dining room. Use it. Write your exam. You saw how I get. Okay, Joy.
And he went back to sleep, you guys.
And you're like, can I have a password? I'm like, yeah, I check it. And it's when you wake up early in the morning when it's cold, you know how long it takes you to catch the
nap that you are supposed to get. And be warm, yeah.
I'm like, flip, I'm going to start locking my gates now.
But then overall, guys, a big congratulations to a new daddy. Yay! No. Let me. We no longer.
Guys, we've got one of our friends. He got a baby.
Who's your friend? Because you are the one that has a baby. So don't lie to the viewers.
But again, we've got a new baby. Your friend, our friend.
No. Oh, the ghost. Spokosarona has a baby, and he's a baby daddy.
No, what do you mean? I'm the friend.
No, you're the baby daddy. You are the baby daddy. Don't deny the facts, brother. Why? What pegging gun in front of the people? Pegging gun.
Yeah, well, guys, cheers to that, Poppy. Cheers to that.
You see, the reason why we say subscribe is because you wanna buy nappies.
Subscribe.
You know,
guys,
we
subscribe.
wanna buy strollers at Mercedes Benz. Strollers at Casper your vest. Are you feeling me?
Subscribe.
I know you do.
I think I go subscribe. But anyways, guys, I'm a new father.
A father of how many now?
A father of 3.
Oh my God! I was so man.
A father of 3. My wife just got a baby 2 days back, and he's a baby boy. So,
he's a boy.
The Zulu says yeah. So please, guys, don't forget subscribe, man. Subscribe so that retothola zakanyana re mo rekele di-pampers nyana. Last winter what do?
I mean, come on. We need that premium nappies. So subscribe there.
Subscribe, gents. Subscribe, and then that thing say, if la subscriber, gents, please, man, please. So Ralnanga, but anyways, for Rona, we'll always be here. La subscriber. And subscribe, you'll always find us here, and we'll always
talking. So right now, we just wanted to make you aware. Please stay warm. This week, we get cold front. Even next week, there's still a cold front.
You know, Banyana ba Lesotho already on nobody boyfriend. Banyana ba Lesotho, and like girls now, what's have you why you spend a week with the boyfriend? Is that real velo or velo? If what unya your boyfriend?
Unya skin to skin contact, body heat. So when since you don't have body heat, we rely on the heaters.
Why if now you are a cold-blooded type?
That means you're a snake.
It happens. There are people who are cold-blooded. Like somewhere, okay, I have a warm money, then mauto abate. Mara he or she feels warm. Mara it's very cold. So wabona or cuddle young lemuthomuso. And ke TikTok. What's TikTok? Someone said, Ari, you are lucky you are not dating a Soto guys. Understand? It's cold today. You are lucky you are not dating a Soto guy. If you are dating a Soto guy, you are in deep shit.
What does that mean?
Because I am a liar toilet. What's about Soto? They are always with blankets.
Oh my God!
The Soto guys. So
I feel offended.
But guys, yeah, please wear warm. It's flipping cold.
It's very cold.
It's very, 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 very cold. And you can handle Baba Snamma Haeshem. Bafasama Brichi.
The ones that smoke nyope.
Yeah, the one. They have homes.
But aren't there shelters in South Africa? How many shelter? Like shelters for homeless.
No, but people still go to the street, right?
Ish,
Like now, I wanna substance like nyaope. It's a problem. Mutwekela strati. Government yanka eva Kenya kontu. Aye strating. Yanka Kenya kontu. Aye tuna like if inka date. Eva isa within a month time zone 100 for strating new nyaope smokers.
I think it's about time. No matter how much you can raise awareness about drugs, they will never end. Never end.
Yeah,
because right now South Africa and we as South Africans, we are okay with corrupt leaders. We are okay with corrupt police officers. The government is corrupt.
No, everything. Yeah,
Everything in South Africa is draining corruption.
Yeah, yalapisa mzansi. Yalapisa, but anyways, Poppy, we not. There's nothing we can do, Rain.
There's something we can do, Pen. You know, I was listening to EFF songs. This one, Shona Malang. I'm like, yo, Mara. You know, whoever came up with this songs, the lyrics.
Kefe.
Shona Malang.
Yeah, man.
Says, no 10 years. I'm got 20 years. Aye, socialism. Bara. Very nice.
But when I want Poppy, confirm. Let me just be honest. You can't confirm Poppy.
I'm an actor, darling.
Everywhere.
Oh, something inside so strong.
You understand? So now I'm confirm. I know no Samamela EFF.
No, you know, it happened to I was listening to Pinatako Sot and it just, you know, played up next. And I'm like, this is nice. Like I listened to Maskandi, but I was like, let me go back to my roots just a little bit. So I was listening to Pinata Soto him. After listening to them, Yangene Shona Malang. And it's
Oring, kes banana nyala batho mama. What's the problem?
There's no problem. I believe maybe he's just trying to start a beef, but I don't think there's a problem. Casper will always be Casper, man.
Casper, no, I like him.
Who doesn't like him?
Casper is Casper.
There's nothing you can do. It's like saying you are taking who? Trump.
And then I can not make you with a personal.
Nah.
And I don't want to make chica marari. And he was like, no, Sol Habu, Nigatami.
Yes, Papa.
Apenduka about boy. It's like go waiting Sol Haboni. So I had a story. They once talked about
the ring.
No, Casper's kid. Something to do with cancer and stuff.
Oh my God, that's so sad.
Yeah, no, I think so. Because he said it, he just said it.
Go podcasting at LT though.
Yeah. No. We chulo before. No, they said shit about my kid, and then they act like nothing happened.
Oh, why? The thing is, if you come for me direct. Don't go through the corners.
So I think that's why Casper here.
Yeah, don't bring the children in the picture. Like, why?
And it's not good waiting for the celebrities to work like about the kids.
Yeah.
We our lifestyle.
Are you a celebrity, darling?
No, I'm not. But I'm just saying
I am very soon.
Our lifestyle.
Not very soon. You'll see me on the cover page of Vogue.
Eh?
Yes, darling. Very soon.
And I chairs on that, eh?
Very soon. The Vogue. Telling you. Which magazine konje ele ebonanga ahleza lukoyona? Bona. I'll be there.
Bona po.
Slang.
So I want. Yeah, no. If you make it, and I believe in you, you make it.
Everyone's gonna make it, but I'm gonna make it. You know, then you know, there's this verse in the Bible that says, "Pour into my cup, O Lord." Pour into my cup. Then when the cup has been filled, then Abari pour into others. And it's
bang.
Listen. So when God pours into your cup, do not take what God has given you. We peace and let that cup overflow. Then people will take the overflowing part of what God has put into your life. Besides, when people don't talk about you, that means you are dead. Case closed. Listen.
What do you mean?
When people don't talk about you, that means you're dead.
So that means if couple
yes.
Or
Yes. Why can't I tell blessings? I get a little blessings. He knows how much I can handle. Why should I give you the things that I can handle?
So when it's a fountain. Sha.
You know.
So rena re orelle di leftover tsa gago
Exactly.
like di leftover tsa modimo ka so
O tlo mfa nna Modimo.
a ka so foto tima
Nna God one rata o tlo mfa. I'm telling you.
no tlo kaya wait.
Big time.
Actually, I saw what was happening nana ke sa tsebe ke confused. Meta bongs at the postitse
Who's bongs?
murder.
Who's murder?
Murder bong.
Who's that? Is that a person?
Are you a celebrity?
Yes, I am.
Then how can you
not know him?
Not know him actually.
Is it a him or her?
Him. Murder.
I only know people that are always on the blogs, bruh. I also people that are always.
How can you not know him?
What is he famous for?
Murder. Murder bongs.
Is it a singer, actor? What like wenzani?
Can you Google murder bongs?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna do that.
Murder bongs.
Is it like murder the way you type murder?
Murder bongs. You can say it. Just say murder bongs.
Okay.
Poppy.
I don't know who that is. Is that a person or a place? Not in a bad way. I just don't know who you are, you know. Serious. I don't know who you are. Let me. You know, if you're
South Africa,
go Boxtec.
Okay.
How do you write murder?
Murder. Anything. Not murder bongs.
Yeah, like murder bongs.
Murder bongs.
If
is it murder?
Wikipedia.
Murder bongs.
If Wikipedia doesn't know you, then that means I also don't know you. Unfortunately. Very soon, I don't Google like Wikipedia. Unfortunately, very soon. I'm telling you. No, wait. You know my PC needs health care. You know, it's not slow. It's very fast. Hey, it's just that I need to go change the battery.
Why? We change up it.
Yeah, the threading it's just fast. It fell fast.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No problem. The laptop so differ that inside. Anyways, guys, hope you had some murder bongs.
I don't know who that is. Is that you see? Oh, murder bongs. Muda.
Murder bongs.
Oh, Moodist. Maybe I just know the face, but I don't know his name.
Check who's murder bongs.
Oh. Murder.
Kimang murder bongs.
Oh, Kinto. Madam, unali DJs in Claire. Are they dating? What's going on?
Get the boyfriend, get the husband that DJs in Claire.
Why didn't you lead with that?
No, but you need to know murder bongs.
No, I don't need to know.
Murder about TV. Now it's sorry flu, not sorry flu about TV. How about murder bongs?
Nope.
The track at the Jive Nate. This one famous song high. Poppy. I'm thrilling. I think it's Udwa Box back.
Same box.
Yeah.
I'll come visit in Senton.
Yeah, so he posted something to do, Lore. I don't know. Like it's a video, a short video. He was bleeding more.
Oh, mfanelo bamuthubile.
Uthubile ke ma.
Bamuthubile.
So it's a short video. So people were asking what's happening. What's happening?
Mom, I saw the video, the one whereby he was bleeding and everything. I saw it on my page. I'm like,
but you don't know the story behind. What does Twitter say? Now I'm not interested. I'm not interested in the Twitter. I don't have an account. I think Instagram. I don't like Shopka Facebook, the TikTok,
exactly.
the YouTube. I'm okay with that. I think I'm
wondering. What's the story about it? Do
you think Bamutubile?
No,
I don't know. Linda,
because when I saw it, it was a clip that someone said he was beaten up after a DJ session, I think.
Yeah, allegedly they're saying after a performer gave one of the fans. So we're not sure. Now I'm not sure. And in Cape Town. Yeah, so it's Teacher Zinta's husband.
Oh my gosh, honey. I'm so sorry, but then we live with and at least you get a rhinoplasty, hey?
Plastic. Guess on no, to be a celebrity,
it's something else, you know.
Yeah, you can born Ogaspin in public.
Kayumba once said on Young Richard Famous Ari, you are a celeb. The minute you're a celebrity, I need to know who you are, what you eat, what you dress, what you even do in the house. And I'm like, cha, is the price that I'm willing to pay.
Oh.
But
Kayumba.
Yeah. No.
That's a problem about celebrities.
Everything.
They want to
every sneeze, anything you do, take Kanye West for example. But then we're not there. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all we have for you tonight. We love and leave you. Basically, today we are just talking about everything and anything, you know, because we were bored. Like, no, just pull over to a new venue. And it's not new. We're just gonna give you glimpse of, but we have options, man. Options.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Let's go.
And one thing that I've noticed, did you see we have a copycat before I close? So a copycat. Apparently, there is this new podcast now is comes, and I'm like,
come to podcast with something to do no sbanban.
Hey,
it's fine. Welcome, Stamto. Welcome to the platform. Let's try Mara old twins. Let's try to make money.
No, I think my twins. When YouTube has to pay, when social media has to pay, they will get confused and go into their account. Delete.
They've got everyone's information. But anyway, yeah, guys. Let me love you. Let us
love and leave you. And have a great night.
And we promise you interviews, Joe.
On top of his skata. Don't go anywhere, darling.
Don't go anywhere. So we've got like 7 interviews still already
lined up. And they are very, very, very hot.
How come stories? Let me tell you what
that means you don't love us.
Stories about someone's celebrity, and we'll be having someone he's a close friend
of that celebrity.
That biggest celebrity.
How was it to work alongside the big names that you love today?
What made them fight? What made them fight? And
the events secrets that happened after that. Basically, right now we are opening a can of worms and taking out those skeletons in the closet. Yeah. Those skeletons that are hiding. So we are cleaning South Africa, starting with our celebrities. Yes.
Like 4. We've got like 4 people. The celebrities. And they had a fight. So they are willing to come on the show. But hey,
1 + 1 is 2. 2 + 2 is 4.
Anyways, from me to you, your man Salty, stay tuned. Skawara, there's another episode. Laluluna will always be together. Subscribe
forever.
Don't forget, you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And udulele rona, otherwise I love you.
I love you too.
It kills. Ciao.
Control, smack features up left and right like a console. Flex rhymes and not see a dime, not the console. Most cats dig just how I kick it. I'm infinity, more cash spending something different. Niggas used to so clap, chill, now it's business. So I'm here to take the whole stash, this just the beginning. Boys, listen, I've been gone, but all I hear's the same shit. Not missing, I've been on, and all it took was patience. Kokota me fulele, kokota me fulele.